Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. University of the Punjab, BA BSc Part 1, Annual Exam 2019. Subject Physics 1. Paper A Physics 1. Time 3 hours, mark 75. Note: attempt 5 questions, selecting not more than 2 questions from each section. Section 1. Question number 1A. Define gradient of a scalar field and show that gradient S is equal to delta bar S. B. Prove that gradient R is equal to R vector over R. C. What is physical interpretation of scalar triple product? Question number 2A. What is a router? Find the relation for tangential velocity to prevent slipping. B. Consider a router of radius 2 meter. It is given that coefficient of friction between material of clothing and router wall is 0.40. Find speed of object and time period of router. C. Why roads are banked in hill stations? Question number 3A. Define center of mass. Find relation for center of mass of uniform solid cylinder. B. Show that the ratio of distances of two particles from their center of mass is inverse ratio of their masses. C. Does the center of mass of a solid object necessarily lie within the object? If not, give example. Question number 4A. Discuss the consequences of Lorentz transformation for the relativity of length and relativity of time. B. A spaceship of rest length 130 meter drifts past a timing station at a speed of 0.74 c. What is the length of spaceship as measured by the timing station? C. Some distant galaxies are moving away from us at speeds greater than 0.5 c. What is speed of light received on Earth from these galaxies? Section 2. Question number 5A. What is torsional oscillator? Derive a relation for its time period. B. Consider a block spring system in which spring constant of spring is 221 Newton over meter and mass of block is 2.43 kg. The block is stretched in the x direction a distance of 11.6 cm from equilibrium and released. What is total energy in the system? C. Could we ever construct a true simple pendulum? Explain. Question number 6A. Describe Young's double slit experiment. Find expression for fringe packing for dark and bright fringes. B. A double slit experiment is performed with blue-green light of wavelength 512 nanometer. The slits are 1.2 mm apart and screen is 5.4 meter from slits. How far apart are the bright fringes as seen on screen? C. Can interference fringes be produced by two separate lighted candles or electric bulb? Explain. Page turn over. Question number 7A. Discuss diffraction at single slit in detail. Find a general formula for minima. B. Slit of width d is illuminated by white light. For what value of d does the first minimum for light of 650 nanometer fall at theta is equal to 15 degree? C. Name various applications of polarization. Section 3. Question number 8A. What is adiabatic process? Find a relation for work done in adiabatic process. B. A sample of gas consisting of 0.11 moles is compressed from a volume of 4 meter cube to 1 meter cube, while its pressure increases from 10 Newton over meter square to 14 Newton over meter square. Calculate work done during isothermal process in compressing the gas. C. How Brownian motion can be increased in a gas. Question number 9A. What is meant by internal energy of an ideal gas? Derive an expression for Maxwell-Boltzmann energy distribution. B. Calculate root mean square speed of ammonia molecules at 56 degrees centigrade. Given that an atom of nitrogen has a mass 2.33 exponent 10 raised to the power minus 26 kg and that of a hydrogen atom has 1.67 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg. C. The average speed of air molecules in a room is of the order of speed of sound. What is their average velocity? Question number 10A. What is entropy? Derive a relation for the change in entropy during a reversible process. B. The turbine in a steam power plant takes steam from a boiler at 520 degrees centigrade and exhausts it into a condenser at 100 degrees centigrade. Find its efficiency. C. Is it true that heat energy of the universe is steadily growing less available? If so, why? University of the Punjab, BA BSc Part 1, Annual Exam 2019, Practical. Subject Physics 1, Paper B. Time 3 hours, marks 25. Group 1. Note: mark at least 3 experiments. The examiner will allot you 1 experiment to perform out of your marked experiments. Question number 1. Determine the surface tension of water by capillary tube method. Question number 2. Determine the modulus of rigidity of the material of a given wire by dynamic method using a Maxwell's needle. Question number 3. Measure the vertical distance between 2 points by using sextant. Question number 4. Determine the resolving power of a given diffraction grating by using a spectrometer. Question number 5. Determine the values of maximum thermal electromotive force EMSX generated and the neutral temperature Tn for a given thermocouple by drawing a thermo-EMF temperature diagram. Question number 6. Practical notebook. Question number 7. Viva voce.